All right, get out your journals because lesson number 3 just has so much content in there. That's why I wanted to chunk it up. I know that yesterday, just doing levels 1 through 4 with headings might have gone pretty fast. That's okay because this next part with the list takes a little bit longer and there's a little more challenge to it. Okay. So, what I need you to do is find this page where we had started our running tag or list of tags here. Paragraph was the first one, open and close. Okay. Then the headings, you had H1, open and close, H2, open and close, all the way down to H6, which gets really tiny. Okay. So that gives you the headings. Why don't you put a little squiggly line here? Okay. In fact, if you wanted to, you could do that right before we got into the heading stuff as well. All right, now we're going to talk about lists. And you have two kinds. All right. And what we're going to do is kind of model how to program it and then see what it looks like. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. The first list is going to be the bulleted one, a bulleted list. They don't call it bulleted, however, in code.org or in HTML. Instead, they call it the unordered list. So it's not giving you a rank of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not numbered. Okay, unordered. So here's how you're going to do it. And we're going to actually write here and then we'll put an example of what this code would look like if this were really getting programmed. All right, so write this down. UL, that's a lowercase l, okay? UL stands for an unordered list. So we need to have it turn on. Okay. And now it says, ooh, I'm going to start creating. And then leave a bunch of space and then do a /UL. We have an open and a close, on and an off. Now in between here is where you're going to put your content items that you want bulleted. So let's just say we were picking different kinds of pizza. Okay. So if I want these items to be bulleted like cheese, and then if I wanted like pepperoni, and this last one, what, Hawaiian? Yeah, I don't like pineapple on pizza. Hawaiian. Okay. All right. Now, just doing this won't put bullet points in front of your words. Okay? We have to do one extra step. In front of each of these items, we're going to put the tag LI. So go ahead and draw this LI, LI, LI. Okay. Now at the end, so lists get a little bit cumbersome. I'm warning you. Then you have to put a closing LI and a closing LI. All right. Oofta. That's a whole lot of tags in there. Here's what it would look like on the preview screen. You would see dot cheese, dot pepperoni. Get rid of that. Pepperoni and dot Hawaiian. Okay. So, two types of code. One that turns it on and off for the unordered list, and then each item you throw in there has to have LI and a closing LI. Okay, that's one kind of list, the unordered list or bullet points. Okay, the second one, since this one was called unordered, this one is called the ordered list. Ordered list. In other words, this one has numbers. Now, here's the sweet part. It's going to look almost exactly the same as the last one. What? It's true. Except instead of UL, you're going to type OL. Leave some room. Make sure you have a 1 at the bottom. Ordered list. Turn off the ordered list. In between, here we go again. You can have cheese and Pepperoni. What did I even choose? Hawaiian. Pew. Pepperoni. Hawaiian. Oops. 2 eyes. Okay. Same thing. At the beginning of each thing that you want to get numbered, you're going to put an LI, and at the end, a closing LI. So again, it's a lot of code, but hey, here we go. Now, here's the cool thing is what this does. Notice how this looks exactly the same as the one above it. It's just that instead of a U, I made this an O and this an O. Here's what it would look like when you went to publish it and went live on a website. It would say 1 period cheese. Then it'd say 2 period pepperoni. And it would say 3 Hawaiian. Oh my gosh, I always forget it's a double I. All right. Notice I didn't put in the numbers 1, 2, 3. This code makes it automatically happen, which is nice because then if you wanted to insert something, it'll automatically renumber your list. You don't have to do it manually. Looks wonderful. Okay. Now, today, your job is going to be, and I'll tell you, look in Schoology as well, but you are in lesson 3 now. Last time you should have done levels 1 through 4. So this time you're going to do lessons 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. When you get to level 7, there are 4 parts. A, B, C, D. I want you to do all of them. A, B, C, D. This one is the assessment level. And here's a reminder in Schoology, there are videos to show you exactly how to do all of this. Okay. So no excuses. You can figure this out. You can do paragraphs, 6 different kinds of headings. Now you can do 2 different kinds of lists. Yay! Good luck and happy coding.